To use a prepackaged sterile kit, ensure that the kit is intact. If necessary, apply the appropriate personal protective equipment for the procedure you plan to perform. Select a clean, flat, dry work surface above the level of your waist. To prepare a sterile work surface using a sterile commercial kit or pack containing sterile items, place the sterile kit or pack on the work surface you've selected. Then open the outside cover, remove the package, and place it on the work surface. Grasp the outer surface of the tip of the outermost flap. Open this flap away from your body, keeping your arm clear of the sterile field. Remember not to touch any part of the sterile wrap except the 1-inch margin around the edge, which is considered to be contaminated. Next, grasp the outer surface of the tip of the first side flap. Open this flap, pulling it to the side and allowing it to fall to the table. Keep your arm away from the sterile surface. Now, open the second side flap by pulling it to the side and allowing it to fall to the table. Again, be sure to keep your arm to the side and not over any part of the sterile surface. Next, grasp the outside border of the last and innermost flap of the package. Stand away from the sterile package and pull back this flap, allowing it to fall flat onto the table.